Viewers, we are breaking a heart-rending news that a passenger bus plunged into a river in Pakistan's northern Gilgit-Baltistan region, killing at least 21 people and injuring several others. The bus was traveling from city of Rawalpindi to Skardu, the famous tourist destination around 240 kilometers about the north of the Pakistan's capital Islamabad. Victims included women and children. The cause of the accident is not yet known. As and well, we receive the further details will be shared soon. Keep watching till then, XYZ News. We will be right back after a short break. Fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests, that was March 9, 2020, when I viewed that news on television screen. And I felt deep sorrow for that event and flashback in the memory when Allah Almighty saved us from a serious near-miss accident. Me, with my 3 friends, were traveling across Nathia Gali, Murray and Galiat for an adventurous and spectacular road trip, first time on my own car. We were not known about the expressway, so we chose the older, twisty and winding GT road. At a sharp, round turn, when our car was a bit on high speed, a bus came from an opposite direction and had to cross us from an opposite direction. But suddenly, a Suzuki Bolan Carry appeared and also had to pass through in between our car and that bus. Now imagine the road width, and 3 different size vehicles were crossing each other while moving in opposite direction. The huge mountain rock at the left side and the deep ditch on the other side. What was happening? Both the experienced bus driver and that Mountainean Bolan driver were crossed without leaving a zero margin for me. I was broke down, it sharp, but fortunately applied a full strength brakes. The car was jammed with only 2 inches margin from that rock. All 3 vehicles remained safe and sound. At that moment, I realized that, yes, Suzuki Mehran Boss brakes work well in emergency. In fact, that was a fortunate for us, and Allah Almighty gave me a second chance to rectify my mistake by leaving a message for me that always slow down your cars at turns while moving through in northern areas. So from that time to till then, I am following this rule. Fellow Toastmasters, according to the published data and Associated Press by Data Protection Act April 5, 2017, the major reason for the road accidents can be attributed to poor road engineering and deficient road furniture, poorly maintained vehicles, inconsistent and improper law enforcement, unsafe means of pedestrian crossings, and inconsistent law enforcement. Road accidents claimed 1.2 million lives worldwide every year. Worldwide every year, 1.2 million road accidents claimed 1.2 million lives every year worldwide. And road traffic deaths, 90% deaths occur in low and middle income countries like Pakistan. And these countries also accounts for 82% of the world's population. And Pakistan is the 6th most populous country in the world. WHO estimates about 25,000 road traffic fatalities in Pakistan annually and claimed 36,000 lives in 2018. This data was published in the Dawn News on Feb 13, 2019, with an intercession of the Motorway SSP Police Asghar Ali Yusuf Singh. In another article by Muhammad Shehzad published in the Express Tribune on November 19, 2019, in Punjab, the most populated province of the Pakistan, an accident happens every 1.6 minutes. An accident happens every 1.6 minutes. Leading cause was registered was the speeding. Inconsistent pedestrian crossings, wrong turns 8%. Insufficient road materials safety 33%. And other factors 19%. Motorcycles were involved in 61% accidents. Cars 11%, rickshaw 11%, pedestrian 13%, car buses, vans 4%. Human element was involved in 80 to 85% of the all road traffic accidents. Fellow Toastmasters, road accidents would considerably reduce if a sense of respect for the traffic laws must be inculcated among drivers and riders. We should have to adopt some good behavior traits, not like such a typical Lahoris who hit upon you from the back and say, "Oh, hello, could you not see in front of you?" Always respect for the other drivers. Don't tailgate the other cars. Use your mirrors. Never take driving for granted. Even if you drive down the street every day, you must be taking care of the upcoming new hazards. Drive to the condition, not the posted speed limits. Fellow Toastmasters, every time life will not give you another chance to rectify your mistakes. I was lucky. Please take care of yourself. May Allah save you some. Time is not needed to be added in fatality statistics. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day. Thank you.